Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this in-depth video, I'm going to walk you through how to build custom workflows, tools, and productivity systems using Airtable. Airtable is one of my favorite platforms for managing projects, collaboration, and so much more. With its flexible databases and easy drag and drop interface, you can create a custom solution tailored for any need. I'm going to provide you with 5 key steps that I'm going to cover so that you can set up a complete Airtable base to organize and streamline any process. The first step will be choosing a purpose. First, think about exactly what you want to accomplish or what problem you want to solve. Identify the workflow or information you need to manage. For example, let's say I want to be better at organizing my YouTube video production process in one place. I could create an Airtable base just for that. Building your first table. Next, make your first table listing out of all the items that you'll want to track. For my video workflow, I'm going to start with a table containing all of the videos that are in progress. Within this table, you can capture important details about each item in different fields like titles, script, graphics, and so on. Next up, we have customizing field types. A great feature is that you can pick from a menu of options for those fields, like a drop-down list, checkboxes, attachments, and so on. This lets you capture all kinds of information in the perfect format. For instance, I may want a drop-down to select video status, checkboxes for production tasks, and an attachment field to upload files. Expanding your workflow. Don't stop at one table. To build out your full workflow system, just keep adding tables to track other types of data related to your overall goal. For my video projects, I can make separate tables for video scripts, graphics, editing notes, etc. Airtable's linked views will connect all the context. Personalizing views. Now customize how you view and interact with all this information by creating different views. For each view, you can sort, filter, group the most important fields. Name and save each customized view so you can quickly switch between the exact views you need for different tasks or team members. This will give you a very good amount of flexibility. More view options. We've only scratched the surface of view types. Dive into other options like calendar views to schedule and plan around dates, or Kanban view to visualize project progress and task workflows. And now for enabling collaboration. Once your Airtable base is set up, easily collaborate with others by adding team members and granting permission to only their relevant views and tasks. For this video workflow, I could for example add any editors and the thumbnail designer. Custom access keeps things simple. And there you have it. These 5 key steps to create a complete custom Airtable base tailored for your needs that can evolve as you grow. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.